Misplay's team feature lets users connect with other players inside the app, but it does not replace the main way Mistplay rewards you, which is earning units through playing supported games. By the end, you'll know how the Mistplay team feature works, whether it helps you earn more, and when it is actually useful. Mistplay is mainly designed around playing mobile games and completing available offers to earn units. The team feature is a social option that adds another way to interact with the app. A team feature can be useful if you enjoy playing alongside other users or want a more social experience while using Mistplay. It can help you stay connected with other players instead of using the app completely on your own. The important thing is understanding what actually affects your rewards. Your units come from eligible gameplay activity, game progress, and the offers available in your Mistplay account. Joining or using a team does not guarantee extra units just because you are part of a group. Your available rewards still depend on the activities and offers shown inside the app. If you use the team feature, focus on the parts that improve your experience. A team can help you stay engaged with games you already enjoy, but you should still check individual game requirements before spending time on them. Your Mistplay account may not look exactly like another user's account. Features, games, and available opportunities can vary depending on your account and region. If you do not see the team feature, check that you are using the latest version of the Mistplay app. App features can change as updates are released. The team feature is worth using if you like the social side of reward apps. If your main goal is earning units faster, your focus should remain on selecting good game offers and completing their requirements. Mistplay is not a shortcut where joining a team automatically increases your rewards. It works best as an additional feature while you continue normal gameplay. To summarize, the Mistplay team feature adds a social option. It does not guarantee extra rewards, and your main earnings still come from completing supported game activities. Your next step is to open Mistplay. Check whether the team feature is available on your account, and compare it with how you normally use the app. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides, reward app explanations, and earning tips.